About this item: light bulb upgraded fitness facial interface fits Quest 2. KIWI designed the most breathable face cushion replacement with two important optimizations. Firstly is the customized glasses spacer added, making it much more comfortable for glasses wearing players. The second is the improved nose piece to solve the light leakage problem around the nose area. KIWI design always makes efforts to your better experiences. Note: please remove the original glasses spacer before installing. Light bulb unique patent L-shaped vents interface bracket. There are full-width grills located on the top and bottom of the interface, even underneath the lower foam padding area. Good ventilation to keep the face cool during high-intensity sessions, such as working out. To ensure the light block, meanwhile, we make the grills L-shaped and much narrow. Also, the ergonomic design perfectly fits your face. No worry about the light leakage anymore. Light bulb comfy leather pad, completely immersive experience. 1. The 0.63 thickened face pad performs much better in pressure reduction than others. 2. Made with premium quality PU leather, it's soft and sweat proof, eliminates your worry about allergy or fade. 3. High elasticity sponge can be compacted down to 0.3 thickness, allows you closer to your display, and brings a better FOB. 4. Sponge is fixed inside the leather, avoid sliding. Even long time gameplay. Light bulb enhanced hygiene facial foam replacement, 2 PCS sweat proof face pad for you to share with others. It protects the